First Alert Weather.
Currently right now, clouds are moving off to the east, and we are a little bit chilly in the teens and 20s right now in northeast Kansas. As you can see right now, 19 in Topeka, 18 in Emporia, 17 in Manhattan, and 16 out in Concordia. So overall, if you're headed out this morning, you'll probably want to grab that coat and maybe some gloves and a hat. Currently on our Midland exterior sky cam, we do still have the snowpack from the winter storm last weekend, and not many cars are out right now as it is a little bit chilly this morning. And from downtown Emporia, we are seeing similar scenes as well, as just one car's going through that stoplight there currently. Wind chills right now are anywhere between around 0 to around 20 degrees depending on where you are. So it is a little bit chilly this morning, but the wind chills aren't as bad as where they have been over the past week or so. Current wind speeds are anywhere between around 3 and around 15 miles per hour depending on where you are in northeastern Kansas, while our current wind gusts are anywhere between around 12 and around 22 miles per hour depending on where you are. As you can see from our supercast wind gust, we will see those winds turning from the west, pumping warm air into northeastern Kansas, which will provide enough temperature change to bring us to warmer temperatures. And then those winds will calm down as we go into the nighttime before they will ramp back up going into tomorrow afternoon briefly, turning different every which way, to be quite honest. 24-hour temperatures going from around 18 degrees to around 41 degrees by this afternoon, then dipping into the 20s overnight. Our wind chills from around 10 degrees to around the mid-30s before dipping into the 20s overnight as well. Today's forecast overall, we will be in the 40s throughout the area and maybe even reaching near the 50s with partly cloudy skies. Going into tonight, partly cloudy once again in the teens and the 20s depending on where you are. And then tomorrow we will be in the 40s and we will be mostly cloudy, mainly as clouds increase into the afternoon. We do have that southeasterly flow as well tomorrow. Supercast, as you can see, we will be clearing out from those clouds, but then we start to see an increase of cloud cover once again while we warm up throughout today. More cloud cover tomorrow throughout the day as well. Maybe a scattered shower chance. That's a very low chance. Just some models are showing some of that rain initializing, but I don't really expect it to make it to the ground, to be quite honest. There also is a chance for that snowfall on Tuesday night into Wednesday. I think this chance is really, really low, and most of the snow that you may see on radar on Tuesday into Wednesday will only be the clouds in the air, because most of the snow will actually evaporate or sublimate before it makes it to the ground. So I don't expect accumulations at all with that. But then we will clear out by Thursday and be sunnier Thursday into Friday and warmer. February begins today and Groundhog Day is tomorrow. We see a warming trend and stay overall dry throughout the week.